Today we're checking out the Rushfaster Essential Tech Pouch in 3 different colorways. We've got black, we've got sand, we've got forest. Let's check them out. Starting with the black colorway. This is our classic black with green lining. Wow, doesn't that go together so well? Yeah, it does. So the exterior of this pouch is 500D Cordura Blue Sign approved fabric. We've got a metal Rushfaster icon badge on the front. We've got YKK zippers and Hyperlon pull tabs. On the back, we have another YKK zipper with a little Hyperlon pull tabs on either side for a quick access pocket. On the interior, we've got a divider over here with 5 pockets. We have a space for your mouse, for your cables, another zippered section, space for your Apple Pencil or a pen, and then 2 compartments here. Let's take a look at another color. This is the green colorway. We've got a nice gray metal icon here. We've got color matched zippers and Hyperlon pull tabs. Let's open it up. On the green, we have a nice light gray fabric. Let's load this one out. I'm going to put my Apple mouse in here. Some cables in these. Got my Apple Watch charger over here. Power brick. And the cable for that goes in there. I'm going to put a dongle in here. And another cable. In the back here we can put other things like Apple AirPods can go in there. You can put other cables in here as well if you wish. And so that's really comfortable. You can get more in there, but without overloading it. That's really nice. On the back here with the quick access pocket, SD cards, USB sticks, bits and pieces that you might need quick access to. And that's the green pouch loaded up. Taking a look at the sand colorway now. Sand, beautiful. We've got a nice blue metal Rushfaster icon here. We've got color matched zips, and then the interior matches the blue icon. Same functionality as the green one. So guys, this is the Rushfaster Essential Tech Kit, available in 3 colors. Links in the description. See you in the next one.